Hey everyone, welcome to Info Knowledge Amaze. Mercedes-AMG is back with the 2025 C43 for AMG, delivering a thrilling blend of power, luxury, and technology. With the turbocharged mild hybrid engine and signature AMG Performance, is this the best compact sports sedan on the market? Let's find out. From the first look, you can tell this is no ordinary C-Class. The AMG Panamericana grille, aggressive bumpers, and quad exhaust tips make it clear this sedan means business. You also get 19-inch or optional 20-inch AMG wheels, sleek LED lighting, and a sporty stance that screams performance. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 C43 is powered by a 2.0 all-turbocharged inline-4, producing 416 horsepower, and yes, it has hybrid assist for extra boost when you need it. This power is sent through a 9-speed AMG speed-shift transmission, and with the 4AMG all-wheel drive system, the C43 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds. With rear-biased AWD and adaptive AMG suspension, this car handles like a dream whether you're carving through corners or just cruising on the highway. Inside, it's a perfect mix of luxury and sportiness. The AMG Performance seats hold you in place, while the flat-bottom steering wheel with AMG drive modes gives you full control. You get a 12.3-inch digital driver's display, an 11.9-inch touchscreen with MBUX infotainment, and AMG-specific graphics, including a built-in track timer for those spirited drives. And of course, Mercedes' 64-color ambient lighting gives the cabin a futuristic vibe, especially at night. Mercedes doesn't just focus on performance, safety is top tier, too. The 2025 C43 comes with active brake assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, new central airbag for added protection. So whether you're hitting the track or just driving in the city, the C43 has your back. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG C43 for AMG starts at around $62,000, but with extra options and AMG upgrades, you're looking at $70,000 plus for a fully loaded model. So, is this the best compact AMG sedan you can buy? If you're after a balance of luxury, technology, and serious AMG performance, the C43 definitely delivers. What do you think about the 2025 AMG C43? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more AMG and performance car reviews. See you in the next one.